Welcome to this video on navigating F2B immigration with temporary protected status, or TPS. Today, we will explore the journey of individuals in the U.S. under TPS, pursuing a green card through the F2B category, which is sponsored by a parent. This process, while possible, presents certain challenges and requires careful planning. In this video, we'll cover a range of topics. We'll begin by understanding TPS and the F2B category. Next, we'll discuss the reality of expediting the process. Following that, we'll look into key considerations: maintaining legal status, understanding priority dates, adjustment of status chances, and what options there are if you fall out of status. First off, let's understand TPS, or Temporary Protected Status. Individuals in the USA under TPS are often in pursuit of a green card via the F2B category, sponsored by their parents. While this path is certainly possible, it presents some challenges. Moving on. When it comes to expediting the process, sadly, there is generally no way to fast-track the F2B green card process. The time it takes is typically influenced by the priority date and visa availability, both of which are based on the applicant's country of origin. The priority date is established when the petition is initially filed and remains unchanged. There are several key considerations and pieces of advice to keep in mind. First, maintaining legal status in the U.S. throughout the application process is crucial. Second, the priority date is a critical factor, and it's important to track when it becomes current. Additionally, understanding eligibility for adjustment of status and knowing your options if you fall out of status are important for each applicant. Let's put the key considerations into perspective with this table. Maintaining legal status is critical, as any lapse can severely jeopardize the application. The priority date needs monitoring to wait until it becomes current, based on the visa bulletin released monthly by the U.S. Department of State. Here are the key steps for adjustment of status. Ensure that you are maintaining legal status. Keep a watchful eye on the visa bulletin for updates about your priority date, and apply for adjustment of status if you are in the U.S. and your legal status is intact. If you fall out of status, evaluate the option of departing the U.S. until your priority date becomes current. Here's a quick quiz for you. What determines the priority date's availability for the F2B category? Is it your country of origin, your immigration lawyer, the amount of applications, or the U.S. Department of State? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is the country of origin. The availability of priority dates for the F2B category heavily depends on the applicant's country of origin, as well as visa limitations and overall demand. In summary, navigating the F2B immigration pathway while on TPS requires careful planning and awareness. Keeping a close track on priority dates is essential. Maintaining legal status is of utmost importance, and consulting with an experienced immigration attorney will provide guidance for your specific situation. Thanks so much for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Keep an eye out for more updates on immigration processes.